and welcome. Today we're going to be showcasing how to add a general income on 1FinForce. To do this, I'm going to navigate through to the income section and add general income. From here, we'll be able to select which customer this is to, or we can add a new customer. I'm just going to say it's to ABC Limited. It is part of product sales revenue. This is part of our services team. I'm going to say this is paid. The invoice amount was 450 and the date was today. Invoice number was invoice that, and creating it. And just like that, our newly created general income shows up right here in our table, and we can filter it. So let's say if we don't want to see our paid, or if we want to see only our paid statuses here, we can just select it there. Have a great day. Cheers.